Great. I'm making just a small little video here to document what JC and I are doing. We are using our time here to learn a lot of math, but we actually have a purpose. There's a contest here to um, basically create something that would work in an urban center. So what we talked about is building a pandemic hospital. So what JC and I are doing right now is we're laying down, we did our dimensions, so we talked about the math involved in making this kind of work that we can do. So we're basically going to build something that's, 45 by 45 for the bottom part, and each story is going to be about 10 blocks high. So we taught, because we thought that would fit it in. So what we actually did too, as well as we used the whiteboard tool inside. So we did a little pre-production here. We talked about what could go into our pandemic hospital. We wanted 3 floors. We wanted to talk about a waiting room, and JC came up with an idea. They're going to need food, so we got to put a kitchen in there. And so this was our side view, and we put like a bird's eye view of, how many, units we'd have in here, because we'd want this hospital to be able to be put in any area and have all the things inside of it, including a doctor's place and a supplies chest and that, where people can access things quite easily. And each room, we were talking about, having making sure there are respirators in there. It's clear there's a monitor so people can talk to loved ones, even if they're self-isolated, and that type of thing, and keep it as clean and sterile for everybody involved. So we have a lot of ideas for it. So this is kind of our sketching out that we did inside of Teams. And then, as you can see here, we were able to get our join code going, and JC and I are laying down the foundations, taking a few pictures along the way and documenting what we're putting together here, which I think is pretty cool. So you can take a look at the end. I think we're going to have a nice little documentation of how we built this as well. So this is remote learning, I think, at its best. We coming up with a project, and we did a little talking about it. We're going to build. I'm sure we're going to make some mistakes along the way, but we're going to have some fun. And we're using lots of math concepts, but we're also trying to figure out something that might help people in the current situation. So this is just a quick little video of what supplemental learning can look like, and how you can get involved with students and have some fun and build and come up with some ideas. And JC, can you hear me?
Yes,
What do you think of this?
I think it's very fun.
Awesome. So we'll come back in. This is and we'll update as we make our progress in here. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun. So I'm going to stop this little video. And thanks for checking out our supplementary learning. So I'm going to